How to fix footer problems in Word. If your document's footer is overlapping your text, appearing on pages where it shouldn't, or refusing to display proper page numbers, fixing a footer issue with Word takes only a few clicks. Follow me. So first, let me show you how to stop footers from automatically changing on pages where you don't want them to. So if different chapters or sections share the same unwanted footer, place your cursor at the very end of the page, right before your new section. Head up to the ribbon menu, click on Layout, click Breaks, and select Next Page. And now double-click directly inside the footer area on your new page. Actually, not here, on the new page, right here. And this will open up the header and footer tools. Then look at the top ribbon and click the Link to Previous button here to turn it off. This unlinks the footer, so you can delete or edit text without affecting previous pages. And now next, let's resolve the text overlapping issues and hide footers on cover pages. If your footer is getting cut off or crowding your main document text, just double-click the footer section and we will open up these same settings. On the header and footer ribbon tab, locate the position group on the right side, right over here. And adjust footer from bottom measurement, right here, from bottom, to about, to about 1.27, okay, or 0.5 inches. And this will ensure that your footer text stays safely inside the printable margin. Now, if you want to clear the footer entirely from your title page, you need to tick the Different First Page checkbox right here in the top to wipe the cover page footer automatically. And that's it. Now you know how to troubleshoot and fix footer problems cleanly. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe.